Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Demo cricket.
Yeah, everybody has a demo horse.
Yes, sir.
Usually in the mud hole. It's the
Okay.
mud cricket.
Oh, okay.
It's the demo cricket.
Nice. All right. So, what is in here, man?
All right, I got two Scar EVO 18s, and I got it's on a 2500. What is it? An SK. One of the top ones of Scar.
Okay.
I forgot the name. I'm so underpowered. I'm still on stock. I got a 3400 excess power, but that's pretty much all I got right now.
Okay.
Don't pay attention to that 'cause that's not correct.
Yeah.
My digital didn't work.
Nice
Yeah,
job.
It's so underpowered though.
It is. Are you doing anything here to seal it eventually?
I'm eventually get another 25 to run per sub and lithium power, seal this off. All that.
Work in progress.
Yep.
Did you have an upgraded alternator?
Nope.
Stock alt?
It's all stock.
Okay.
Stock.
And is this at 1 ohm or
Yep.
one? Okay. Can I see the amp real quick?
Yeah.
Is that sorry? I'll open the side door.
No problem, man.
Who built the box?
I did.
Nice job. Is it a fourth order or
Yeah, fourth.
Do you know your tunings on it at all?
I peaked down around 33 hertz.
33. Okay. And you're planning to do one more, so one per amp.
I'm thinking about redoing the box too, make it actually a 6 owner.
Okay.
I'm thinking about pushing the stuff too to the SKV or something.
Yes, sir.
The bigger one.
Okay. Awesome.
Somebody done killed told me
man. Nice
Yeah,
job.
It's so underpowered though.
It is. Are you doing anything here to seal it eventually?
I'm eventually get another 25 to run per sub and lithium powered. Seal this off.
Okay. Work in progress.
Yep.
Did you have an upgraded alternator?
Nope.
Stock
all
all?
It's all stock.
Okay.
Stock.
And is this at 1 ohm or
Yep.
one? Okay. Can I see the amp real quick?
Yeah.
That's all right. I'll open the side door. Thank you for the demo.
No problem.